When it comes to compact value sedans, the Corolla has been ruling the roads for decades. But if you're in the market for such a vehicle, you might also be considering the Honda Civic. So here are just a few reasons why the Corolla still continues to lead in this segment. One of the main reasons customers purchase small cars is fuel efficiency, and engineers at Toyota designed the Corolla to attain the highest possible mileage out of every gallon of fuel. The Corolla achieves these amazing numbers with advanced engine technology and a wind tunnel tested aerodynamic design. When it comes to smaller cars, every inch counts. With 5 more inches of legroom than the Civic, rear seat passengers will always enjoy the ride. Reliability and dependability has been a strong suit of Toyota since day one. In fact, 80% of Corollas sold in the last 20 years are still on the road today. With Toyota's long tradition of safety, the Toyota Corolla has a clear advantage over the Civic with standard knee airbags, plenty of reason why it received a higher front-end crash test rating by the National Highway and Traffic Safety Administration. The Toyota Corolla's features, value, and reputation give it a decisive win over the competition. Come down and see us and check out the legendary Toyota Corolla.
Michael's Toyota of Bellevue. For the life you live.